If you've only got one basin sink like I do here, this little device I'm about to show you is a game changer because I started using it to keep my cleaning stuff separate from my dishes. Now, you can soak bottle brushes, scrubbers, and anything kind of gross, if you've been cleaning the bathroom or any other room in the house, but you don't want these items to be touching your dishes. No more letting those sit next to plates or silverware. This little collapsible wash bin is going to hold a good amount. It's about 2.4 gallons, and the drain plug is super convenient. So you're not awkwardly dumping water everywhere when you're done. It just drains out the bottom. What I love most though is that it keeps the dirty cleaning tools away from my dishes. It's perfect for soaking brushes, sponges, or even small items if you're trying to clean something. It's going to fold flat so it doesn't take up space. It's a huge win for small kitchens. It's sturdy enough to sit inside your sink without collapsing. And one thing to note, since it's collapsible, it's not as rigid as a hard plastic tub, but for everyday use, it holds up really well. We were sent this one to test out, and I have used this thing nonstop because if you're dealing with a single sink and tired of everything touching everything, this is one of those simple little upgrades that makes your kitchen feel way more functional.